The Samsung Galaxy S23 series pricing has been leaked, plus we have new case renders leaked for the S23 series, and also we have the confirmation for the Wi-Fi connection that is coming for the S23 series. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, we are just 18 days away from the launch of the upcoming S23 series, and leaks and rumors are not stopping. Every single day we have new leaks and rumors for the device, and today is not different. Today we have got a leak for the pricing of the S23 series, which is going to be same as the last year for the S23 and S23 Plus, whereas the S23 Ultra will be having a price hike of $50 this time around. Well, this information has been coming from RG Clouds, who is a reliable leaker, and according to his tweet, the upcoming S23 base model will be having an 8GB of RAM option, whereas the pricing for the base model 128GB will be $799 and 256GB will be coming with $849, which is going to be similar to the last year S22 base model. Whereas the S23 Plus is coming for $999 price tag for the base 128GB of internal storage, whereas 256GB of internal storage will be coming with $1049 of price tag. Well, for the S23 Ultra, we have a price hike of $50 in each model. Basically, we are going to be getting a base storage of only 256GB, and it will be coming with 8GB of RAM option. 12GB of RAM option is going to be only available for the 512 and 1TB option, and they will cost you around $1349 for 512 and $1499 for the 1TB variant option. So definitely there is a price hike for the S23 Ultra device. He also mentions that the upcoming exclusive color for the S23 series plus the 1TB variant of the S23 Ultra will be late to deliver around 2 to 6 weeks. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Is this pricing is going to be good for the S23 series? Now moving forward, the same leaker also mentioned that the S23 base model will be coming with Wi-Fi 6 option plus the ultra wideband technology. No Wi-Fi 7 is coming for the base S23. Whereas the S23 Plus is going to be coming with the Wi-Fi 7 support and ultra-wideband technology, just like the S23 Ultra. So definitely this means that Samsung is going to be focusing more on S23 Plus and the Ultra variant, whereas the base variant is going to be making more difference. Because we already know that 25-watt charging is just supported for the S23 base model, whereas the S23 Plus and the Ultra will be coming with 45-watt charging speed option as well. So clearly, just like Apple, Samsung is making a difference for their base model than the Plus and the Ultra variant. And moving forward, we have got another leak coming from a reliable leakster, and he has shared the official cases for the S23 Ultra device. Basically, if you look at these flip covers, you will notice that you also have the option to carry the cards inside the body of the cases. So definitely this is going to be a good option to have. Plus we have the bigger camera sensor coming this year, which are amazing. Well, the color option for these cases will be including a black, a green, a pink, and a cream color option, and these are going to be similar to the official Samsung S23 Ultra device color option. And guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the pricing of the S23 series could be? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.